Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. Today we will be discussing on Databricks utilities overview in Azure Databricks. We will be listing down the available utilities that are present in Databricks, and then we will be listing available commands for a particular utility. We will also see how to display the help command for each command present in the utility. Databricks utilities is like a set of utilities that is provided by Databricks to perform some common tasks. For example, you can go ahead and use dbutils command to chain the notebooks. You can also go ahead and parameterize your notebooks, or you can also work with your secrets using the help of dbutils. You need to keep in mind that dbutils are only supported in notebooks. It will not go ahead and work outside of the notebooks. And dbutils are available in three languages, that is R, Python, and Scala. It doesn't work with SQL. I have created a dbutils overview notebook, and I have attached it with the small cluster with Databricks runtime 12.2 LTS. So let's see how you can use these dbutils command practically. dbutils is a module. In order to get all the utilities with a short description, you go ahead and use dbutils.help function. So you see, these are the utilities that are present in Databricks that you can use. So it has given us a short description. For example, FS means file system. It says it manipulates the Databricks file system from console. Similarly, if you will see the notebook, it is a utility for control flow of a notebook. And then we have secrets and widgets. So these are the short descriptions that are provided for each utility. So let's say you want to know more about each utility, what all commands are present in each utility. Then you can use the same module called dbutils and then your utility name and help function. So has given a documentation where it describes a short description for that dbutils.fs and what all functions are present inside that fs. So the first one is mount, unmount, update, mount. Then we have the fs utils like copy, ls, directory, move, put, rm. So these are some functions that you can use as a part of file system. So CP means it will go ahead and copy a file or a directory from one location to another. So if you see the parameters that are passed here is from. From is a string data type and to is also a string data type. Recurse boolean equal to false, which is by default. If you make it true, it means recursively it will go ahead and delete all the files that are present inside the folder. If it is false, it will not delete all the files that are present in the folder. Then we have the ls function. It means it will list the content of the directory. If you want to move any file from one location to another, you can use the mv function and so on. You can read the documentation. It's very helpful when you are using it on a real-time scenario. Let's say you want to know more about this CP function, how you can copy the file from one location to another. So you go ahead and mention the CP inside the help function itself. So it gives you what it does, basically copies a file, and it gives you an example how you can copy the file from one location to another. So this copy, then this is the source part and this is your destination part, and what all parameters you have to pass in order to use the CP command. In this video, I have given a high-level overview of dbutils command. In the coming videos, we are going to discuss each and every utility and how you can go ahead and use it on real-time scenario. If you like this video, hit on the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.